Hi everyone, in this video, we'll talk about CIBC Dividend Visa Credit Card for students. So first, what is this? It is a no annual fee credit card tailored to help students build credit while earning cashback on everyday purchases. And some of its key features are: first is the cashback rewards. 2% cashback on eligible groceries purchases and 1% cashback on eligible gas, transformation, dining, electric vehicle charging, and recurring payment, and 0.5% cashback on all other purchases. Some of its welcome offer are earn 5% cashback up to $100 on net purchases for the first 4 statements on amounts up to $2,000. Next is redemption flexibility. Redeem cash back at any time through CIBC online and mobile banking, provided you have a minimum balance of 25%. Lastly is the no annual fee. Both primary and supplementary cardholders enjoy no annual fee for up to 3 additional cards. Now, some of its pros are: first, cost-effective. No annual fee makes it accessible for students. Next is the cashback opportunities. Earn rewards on everyday spending categories. And lastly is the flexible redemption. You can access cashback earnings anytime, enhancing financial flexibility. Now, some of its cons are: limited additional benefits. Lacks premium perks found in other cards, such as travel insurance or purchases protection, and lower base cashback rate offers only 0.5% cashback on miscellaneous purchases. Now, in conclusion, this card is for students, is a practical choice for those starting their credit journey, offering straightforward cashback rewards without the burden of annual fees. While it doesn't provide extensive perks, its simplicity and earning potential on everyday expenses make it a solid option for students seeking to build credit and earn rewards simultaneously. And that's basically it.